Have you ever been puzzled by why your code isn't performing as expected? If you've ever wondered why using q.all seems slower than resolving promises one after the other, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this Angular issue and uncovering the mystery behind promise performance. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you expect a feature to speed things up, but instead, it feels like you're waiting in line at the DMV. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges with asynchronous calls. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why is q.all slower than sequential.then in my Angular code?" They mentioned that they are calling two backend services and expected q.all to be faster. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this unexpected delay? When using q.all, both promises are initiated simultaneously, but there can be overhead due to how the promises are managed. Let's break down the details to understand what's happening under the hood. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that could help you optimize your promise handling in Angular. To understand why using q.all is slower than resolving promises sequentially, the user should first consider how q.all works. It waits for all promises to resolve before proceeding, which can introduce overhead if the services are not independent. In the user's case, the first service call takes about 40 milliseconds, while the second service call takes only 1 to 10 milliseconds. This means that the second service call is often waiting for the first one to finish, leading to unnecessary delays. When using the sequential approach, the user initiates the second service call only after the first one has completed. This reduces the overall waiting time because the user is not waiting for both promises to resolve simultaneously. To optimize performance, the user might consider restructuring the code to use the sequential approach when the service calls are dependent on each other. This can lead to faster response times and improved user experience. Lastly, the user should also analyze the network latency and server response times. Sometimes the overhead can be attributed to external factors rather than just the code structure. Fun fact, did you know that the average human attention span is shorter than that of a goldfish? So if you're still with me, you're doing great. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user shared a similar experience while building a custom screen for Microsoft CRM. They initially used q.all to send multiple requests simultaneously, but faced issues with some requests failing or taking too long to resolve. They found that chaining the requests, like in your case, improved performance. While the user didn't provide a specific solution, they mentioned that their issues were likely related to the online CRM environment, which was beyond their control. This insight may help you understand that your situation could be similar. Here's the tip I promised. Consider using sequential promise resolution when dealing with lightweight services. It can save you time and improve your application's performance significantly. And there you have it. Understanding the nuances of promise handling can make a world of difference in your Angular applications. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights and tips. And remember, optimizing your code is a journey, not a destination.